All right, let's get right into it. The isolation protocol. The promise here is, well, it's huge. Getting 3 years ahead of everybody else in just 6 months. I know, it sounds kind of crazy, right? But today we're going to break down exactly how this strategy works. But first, let me ask you something. Does this feel familiar? You know that feeling of being completely trapped by digital noise? Just constantly pulled in a million different directions by notifications, emails, social media. It's like you can't even think straight. And for most of us, it looks a lot like this. Just endless scrolling. You know the drill. You pick up your phone to check one little thing, and then suddenly an hour is gone. You've just been swiping through stuff you don't even really care about. And what do you have to show for it? Nothing. And the biggest casualty of all that scrolling? Your focus. It's just gone. Your attention gets shattered into a million tiny pieces, and it becomes basically impossible to do that deep, meaningful work that actually pushes your life forward.
And this is the part that really stings. You finally look up from the screen, and you get this sinking feeling that you're falling behind. You see other people making moves, hitting their goals, and you're just stuck, running in place on this digital treadmill that's going nowhere.
So let's put a name to the enemy here. It's the digital noise trap. And that's exactly what it is. It's this invisible cage made of constant pings and easy dopamine hits, and it's literally designed to keep you right where you are, stuck. But here's the good news. There is a key to that cage. A real, actual path to not just get out, but to launch yourself so far ahead that the trap can't even touch you anymore. Believe me, there is a way to break free. And this is it. It's called the isolation protocol. I mean, the name itself sounds intense, doesn't it? And that's on purpose. This isn't some little life hack we're talking about. This is a complete overhaul of your entire reality. So what is it really? Well, the protocol is basically a two-part system. Part 1, you go to war with digital noise and cut it out of your life. Part 2, you use that new silence to build a fortress, an impenetrable fortress around a new, super-focused daily routine. So let's talk more about this fortress. We're not talking about bricks and mortar, obviously. This is a fortress you build in your mind and with your habits, and it's designed to protect the most valuable thing you have, your attention. Building it really comes down to 3 crucial steps. First, you have to define your mission, and I mean get crystal clear. What is the one big thing you want to accomplish? Second, you have to be ruthless, eliminate distractions. We're not talking about just logging out of apps, we're talking about deleting them, turning off every single notification that isn't absolutely essential. And third, you architect your routine. You build a non-negotiable daily schedule that is completely built around that one mission. Okay, this is where it gets really serious. This whole process requires a level of commitment that's, well, it's extreme. It demands what the protocol calls the 6-month disappearance. And no, this isn't about hiding from the world. This is a strategic withdrawal, so you can focus 100% on building a better version of you. This quote just says it all, doesn't it? You literally disappear. You vanish from all the noise, all the distractions, all the trivial social stuff for just half a year. Why? So you can come back completely transformed. You come back unstoppable. Now, I know 6 months sounds like a long time, but check out how it's broken down. It makes it feel way more manageable. Month 1 is all about laying the foundation and going through that painful digital detox. Months 2 and 3, that's where you go deep into your mission. Then months 4 and 5, you hit peak performance. You're in the zone. And that final month, month 6, is all about locking in those gains and making them permanent. So after all that, what's waiting for you on the other side? What does becoming unstoppable actually look and feel like? It's a complete shift in the way you operate. It's a whole new you. I mean, just look at the difference. Before, you're reactive, just responding to whatever the world throws at you. You're distracted, you're stagnant, but after, you become proactive, taking control of your own life. You are deeply focused, and yeah, you are unstoppable. It's a total identity shift. And this brings us right back to that incredible promise from the beginning. Just 6 months of this monk-like focus can put you, and this is a conservative estimate, 3 full years ahead of everybody else who's still stuck in that digital noise trap. That's the power of pure, uninterrupted, concentrated effort. So there it is. The protocol is laid out. The path is clear. The only question left is the one right there on your screen. Your 6 months start now. Who will you become?